Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the first person survival series. And today I'm gonna add some post-processing effects to our player. So just a quick little announcement I have to make. Um, a couple of days ago, my mobile game was released on the Google Play Store. So please check it out. The link is in the description. It's a fun dodging game. But I mean, if you have an Android, please download it. It will be highly appreciated. So, in the last part of the series, we created this terrain with trees and water. If you're like this is the first video you're watching from the series, make sure to check out that first. But if this is your second, you're in the right place. So, I have this player, so if I run right now, if I run the game, I should be able to just walk around. So I'm walking around, jumping. I think I can jump in trees too. Um, Wait, yeah, I can jump in trees. But that's actually not. But anyway, this is I had set up. I have so we so this terrain was set up. Um, this terrain was made in the last video. So you got a lot of trees and some nice water. Okay. So the first step to add some post-processing, go to Window, Package Manager, and you're gonna install the post-processing package, which is required if you're trying to add some post-processing in your game. So let's add it. I'm gonna search for post. And also, I updated the version of my Unity today. So before I had the 2019.4.18 F1. Now I have 2019.4.22 F1. Just a little upgrades. So if you were using the same version before as me, I recommend upgrading. So if you don't see this package, just go to Advanced and show Preview Packages. And then you should see it if you don't see it right now. I'll just wait for it to install. Okay, I mean the project for download is not available yet, but if the series if the series is finished already, then you should find the project in the link in the description of the last video of the series. So it's downloading. Okay, so okay, here it is. No, I install it. Oh no, it's downloading. Okay, downloading all the CS files or C# files. And let's wait a bit. And we can continue, I guess. No, it's still importing. Iteration 1, 2. Okay, okay, it's all importing those LensDir PNG. Those are all the. Make sure you don't like just close up your Unity channel. Just make sure you all run all this setup. So because it's very important that you're done. So now we don't have any effects. But so the first thing you're gonna have to do is create a new empty game object. Call it post effects. Like that. Next, you're gonna go into layers, add layer, and then create a new layer, and let's call it post P. like standing for post processing. So add the post effects under that layer. Don't add your environmental layer, that's like not important. Next, add a post processing. You should see post processing volume. That's what you should add. You should get this ready after you install the package. If you hadn't installed the package, then you shouldn't see this component. So after you added it, just click on the new button to create a new profile for the post processing, and then just click on is global. So is global makes it available for every camera of the specific component. On your camera, add a post processing layer, and then make sure to click on this when you trigger, and then the layer select post processing. I'm just gonna change the game window for now. I'm gonna change the post processing to fast approximate anti-aliasing. After that, we should be able to go to add effect, vignette, and then intensity, and then I can change. Some reason. Oh, yeah, okay. So I'm gonna have to go to here, and if I. So, this is the post processing, post effects. If you get it, you should just go to add a box collider, big box collider. I don't know why it happens sometimes to me like that, but then just create a big box collider, just enormous, make it like enormous, and make it 100, make it even maybe 1,000, so it covers all the space. And then make this also 1,000. Making this also 1,000. Just like that, so it covers everything. It doesn't really cover everything right now. Oh! Just realized my mistake. The problem is, I always look from the camera of the player. I assigned this thing to the wrong camera. Okay, so all done. I guess sorry for that. Just assign the post processing to the first person. I can just remove this camera. To the first person character camera. Assign it here. Now, boom. Whew. That's why there was an error. So if we go to the post effects now, I can change the intensity. This is the vignette effect. You can just adjust the smoothness to make it more smooth. We can look like it's a survival game in the eye, which is this. Let me add it like this kind of effect. You round it so you can adjust that, but just like this. You can also add a bloom effect. Bloom intensity, and I can adjust the bloom. So it suggests it makes it more lighty, I guess. So something like this, and if we run the game now, we should be able to. It's kind of weird. So yeah, it just adds so much. It's kind of this effect which adds so much light. And all that, but this actually looks cool. Just if we lower the intensity a bit, make it like 25, for instance. And now if you're on the game, we should be able to. This is actually alright. This is great. I'm gonna add another effect, and this is gonna be grain. I mean, I'm probably not gonna use this for this game, but this is just like for you, so you know what it does. This is as like a TV grain, so if you see, it looks like a old TV. I can also adjust the size, and I can also change colored. So colored is this is more like. So if you look or zoom in, maybe you see that it's a bit colored. But if you uncheck colored, it's check colored is just gonna be black. So I'm actually just gonna remove the green effect, I'm gonna add another effect called chromatic aberration. So if you change the intensity, it's gonna make it more like fresh, how you want to call it. But I just like the feeling as well. So see, it adds that. And also on sides, it just look at the sides. It actually adds more like So the main story of the survival game is like you were like shipwrecked, and this is straight after you like were shipwrecked, and this looks like you're just awakening something. I think this looks nice. And so there's another effect which I kind of want to add. It's called motion blur. I mean, too much might be a bit. Just enable those. So if you want to see what I mean, it's this. See, if I walk fast, it's gonna be blur, which I kind of like. So yeah, this is my favorite effects of this, and it also adds a better. So if I also add a depth of field effect, I can like go focus distance and see if I lower the focus distance, I get like I only focus on things that are closer to me in the like input distance. If I see this, I don't see very far. I don't see those trees. I only see like if I move closer to them. And so that's how you add post-processing visuals to your game. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for more videos on this topic. And I'm definitely gonna publish more videos. So, thank you again. And I'll see you next time. Bye.